how to create highlights on Instagram. If you wish to create highlights on Instagram, it's actually fairly simple for us to do so. What are highlights? Highlights are simply some of the past stories that you add to your profile so that whenever someone visits it, they can see first of all your highlights even if you do not add a current story. To add a highlight, just come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the new icon if you want to create a new highlight and select a list of stories from your past that you want to add to your highlight. Once you've done so, tap on the next button. You can simply give this highlight a name right here. So once you go ahead and give this highlight a name, you can choose to also edit its cover. Then tap the done button, then tap on done. Then you can see we've created our highlight. Now in the future, you can also actually remove stories and add them to this highlight. If you want to add a story, you can always just tap on the highlight right here. You can tap the more option and go to edit highlight. You can uncheck the ones that you want to remove and check the ones that you want to add from your stories tab and tap the done button. And by the way, whenever you're uploading an existing story, that too can be added to your highlights. This way you can create highlights on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.